Hi everyone, welcome to Teaching from a Distance. If this is your first time joining us, my name is Danielle Polk and I'm a literacy coach. In this episode, we're going to go over how to take attendance in Google Meet. We have a new feature for Google Meet, an extension called Meet Attendance. It may have already been installed on your device. If you do not have it though, I will leave a link in the description box as well. When we create our attendance, it will automatically capture and record our participants and export those names into a Google Sheet. We'll also have a timestamp so we know exactly who joined our meet and when. So let's get to it. If you do not have the Meet Attendance extension installed on your toolbar and don't see it here, we can add it and install it pretty easily. I'm just going to Google Meet Attendance extension. You can also find this in the Chrome store. I'm going to click on our link here and our Meet Attendance will show up and we can simply add it to Chrome. We're going to allow the extension and then we see our notification that has been added to Chrome. You will also notice that it is not in color. This is because the Meet Attendance is only enabled when you use a Google Meet. So let's do that and see how we can take attendance in Google Meet. I'm going to create a meet using my waffle. You can also create a meet using your Google Classroom, using Calendar, or even your Gmail. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to create a quick nicknamed meeting and we will join it. So here I am, and I'm going to join my meet. We have our meeting nickname here. We also have our username, our user code. We can copy the joining info and send this out to our students if we need to, or we can add people. But because this is a tutorial, I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to be in my meet by myself. When we click on our People tab, we will see that we now have a new icon here. This is our attendance. We have the ability to create a spreadsheet, add a sheet to the spreadsheet, and we can continuously take attendance and we can auto scroll. Every time you look at the People tab, it will take attendance. So to do this, I'm going to click out of my People tab, then go back into it just to see who the participants are. And then I'm going to go into my clipboard and I'll click on that, and my spreadsheet will generate. And you will see here that we have the link to the meet and we have a timestamp and a list of our participants. So we can keep that up and go back into our presentation. We can talk to our students and do whatever we need to do. And as we see more people show up, this will automatically record because we have this option toggled. Okay, every time we click on the clipboard, it will open up a new spreadsheet. You can see it's like that. As long as you go back and check the people, it will continue to take the attendance. So I'm out of that People tab. When I go back into it and I go into my spreadsheet, it will open up and you will see that there's a second timestamp. This is because I checked the attendance twice. We do not have to keep clicking on the same icon because our sheet automatically updates. But if we see more students showing up or students leave and come back, we can take the attendance as we see fit and go back into our sheet and record that way. So every time you check the People tab, attendance will be taken. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time from a distance.